I was thinking today, how big is that motor and what does it look like just sitting up there? So, there you go. That sucker is huge. I've only got to get this piece to here. So I've got 4 to 6 inches, which I think I'm closer than it sounds. Because you have down in here, you get that 2-3 inches up. But I'm betting I can get it all under that bar. And I don't know how much transmission I really got to cut out. Quite a bit, but so it looks like my firewall is going to be somewhere in here, so I should still have this out in the open, but it's going to be right there. And that can all go in. This side, you gotta have room for the exhaust, so it looks like it'll be okay. And you can look down on the transmission. I mean, I got quite a bit of room. You can see down here. Definitely gotta cut this out so I can get in here, and I'm thinking I can cut out somewhere in here. But because it'll probably have to come up. If I can cut out, say, an inch below this, and crossed and down and out, and see what she does. But yeah, I'm thinking, I don't know. I just wanted to see how bad it looked, and it looks huge. Freaking huge. It's definitely a monster. If I can tuck it in there nice and pretty. Ooh. So, yeah. Pull it forward maybe and just cut that firewall out and see what happens.